What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your animations and why they may not be working. Okay, so originally I had just a regular character that was just like one mesh. But I changed it and made it like modular so you can change like the chest and stuff. So basically that caused a bunch of errors in my animations and I was really struggling. I watched a bunch of videos. Took me about 3-4 hours to figure this out, but basically what you need to do is you need to change your original animations that you were calling, and you basically need to retarget them just like you did originally with the model. You need to do that with all your animations. Well, not these default ones because these are already like set in here, but for the ones that you are doing like custom, for example, I don't know, like this is a dancing. As you can see, it's dancing there. So basically what I needed to do there was I needed to go, let's just go with this. Okay, so this one, as you can see, he goes back and forth, and then basically what you need to do is you need to go here, retarget, and then it may not show up here, which means you just need to click down here, go here. Obviously there's gonna be sometimes there's gonna be some sort of conflict if you do it this way, but because otherwise it would just show up here. But yeah, sometimes it won't work, but you may as well try it out if you're really struggling. So retarget, and then if you click here, as you can see, it perfectly works. And then you just need to come back here, change this into the animation you just created, whatever it is. And then also make sure this doesn't do anything, I don't think, but also what I also did was to create this, but it's not set anything, so maybe it doesn't do anything. So I'm just covering my bases, just showing you guys what I've tried. So yeah, so that, and also then you also need to set this here. And then I'd set the child, even though I don't think it does anything. I'd set it and it started working. So I don't know, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, because I kind of did all these steps together and then it started working. So, but I know this is definitely the one that changed up most. Is this when I found out about this, or I basically rewatched the video that I originally watched to import the stuff, and at the very start of the video the guy says that it's a retarget of one of the paid meshes that you can buy from the Unity marketplace. So I was like, oh, and then yeah, so then I figured it out. And yeah, that's basically all I did there. Is I went here and I set there, and then I changed the animation, and then I retargeted the animation. Then if I start the game, basically this is just a cutscene or sequence. And then if I press B, you can see that it will activate the dance. Then if I throw my character to the ground, press R again, it's another animation. This thing's doesn't work properly, but it's fine. But yeah, as you can see, it works fine. And yeah, if in case you guys were struggling, there's a video, try and help you out. But yeah, so if you guys did enjoy, I'm sure like, subscribe, and share. Not sure what videos I'm going to be uploading, but there will be videos sometime, someplace, somewhere. So yeah, do make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And this is your boy, Cool. I'm reporting out.